Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Sky is Your Limit. Now onwards, we are starting a new video series on HTML. In this whole video series, we will learn the basic syntax of HTML and text. We will also see some basic features of CSS. So be with us. I assure you that if you see this whole video series, you will be able to make a simple and attractive web page or website on your own. I will daily upload a new video for this HTML course. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon and tap all so you can get instant notification of our video. So let's take a basic introduction of HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, HTML is the standard markup language for creating web page. Not that, or remember that it is not a programming language. It is a language for creating web pages. It is used for build a website or a web page. Okay, HTML describes the structure of a web page. It describes the structure, what is the content web page have. It describe HTML. Okay, HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. Okay, so this was a small introduction of HTML. So let's start to code in HTML. So first we will set up our device for HTML coding. For this, first of all, we have to have a simple text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, or VS Code, or Sublime Text, or Android Studio, or anything you can use. But I recommend you to use this Sublime Text editor because it is easy to use. It is lightweight and it is compatible and very small software. Okay, so you can download it from its official website. I give the link in the description. You can go and download it. So let's take a look of a HTML syntax. So this is a basic syntax of HTML. Here we can see HTML and HTML tag. Here is the head tag. We will see more in detail what is the use of this head tag, and it is a title tag, so it will display on web page title whatever we write in the title tag. Okay, so it is body tag, so whatever we write in the body tag, it will be displayed in our web page. So let's take one example. So let's first we save this file. So lesson1.html. In order to save HTML5, we have to write this HTML extension. So let's save it and let's type HTML. So you can see this is a predefined code of HTML. It is a nice feature of a Sublime Text editor, so you can use this one also. So let's take a look this code. So the doc type HTML declaration define that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. We will see in detail after some time what is meta information. Okay, the title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the page tab. Okay, the body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. Okay, so let's make a simple program first program of our HTML. So I write a title page, hello world. Okay, and in the body tag I write hello world. So let's save this, Control S, and let's open in browser. So here you can see our first HTML file. So it contains hello world. Whatever we write in body tag, it will contain on web page, and you can also see the web page title bar hello world. Okay, so let's type another hi Vasisht. Okay, so let's save this and go to our web browser, and what you need to do, you need to simply refresh this page, so it will show here. Okay, it will update it. Okay, so here I want to write this line in the second line. So what you need to do, you need to use br tag. So br tag is used to take our cursor in the second line. So let's save and let's see what is difference in this code and our updated code. So here you can see, as we use br tag, it display the content in second line. You can practice this simple code on your own. So it is enough for today's tutorial. We will see some more tags in our next video. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.